Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ryobi buy one get one free. At least buy a toolkit and get a free tool. Yeah, unfortunately, this at the beginning of this Black Friday we didn't have a kit or a battery kit like other previous years that you buy a certain amount of tools or 2-pack of batteries and get a free tool. Unfortunately, this year we didn't have that. Somehow it was just very disappointing. A lot of us, or a lot of Ryobi fans, or us, because I bought some in the past, were pretty much disappointed on those deals. We pretty much had to go with DeWalt and Milwaukee and all those brands. But guess what, guys? I think they hurt us, and I think we are starting to see those kits now coming in. At least online. I don't know if they're gonna have that in the store or not, but they have that now online, where you buy a kit and you basically get a free tool. Alright guys, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribing, so I appreciate it if you guys will help out by subscribing. Alright, pretty much here what you have to do is just what I did is either you can put Ryobi 4-tool combo kit or Ryobi free. I just put free because it'll trigger something, and that's how I found that out. Let's see here. You go down here. So you get these. It says shop gift center for savings, so it doesn't tell you any free promos or anything. It just tells you the the promotions that they have at the stores currently. But if you swing by down, you start to see the ones with the say the free. See these? It says buy one get a free tool or battery. So guys, it's starting. So somehow they're starting the deal again or something. They're trying to get the free tool or the free word out there, for the people out there. Let's go over it here. You got 18 volts brushless cordless 4-tool combo kit with the two 2-amp-hour batteries, a charger in a bag with the free hybrid lights. Okay, so what they're doing is they're including their combo kit, which is a great deal because you're getting brushless tools. Don't get me wrong, these are brushless tools. And brushless cordless combo. Yeah, you're getting brushless tools, and you're getting a light for free for $229, which I think it's a good deal. I mean, it's not the best deal because obviously you can't choose from every tool in the Ryobi brand, but you're pretty much getting all brushless tools. Look at this one. This one says brushless. So same thing here on the top. It says 4-tool combo kit, and you're getting a free impact driver. So you're getting another. Let's look at the picture here. This is the impact driver you're getting for free, and it looks like you're getting a brushed impact driver from what I'm looking at. This is a brushless impact driver, so you're getting a brushed tool there. Let's see here. 10 more. Where's it? This is the one you're getting for free. It doesn't look like looks like a 3-speed, I believe, or something like 2 or 3-speed there. Tri-beam. Yeah, it doesn't look like a brushless. Not from my knowledge. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. This is a brushless. See, these are all brushless tools. Brushless. So you are getting brushless tools, but the free tool is the one that you have to look very closely, see what you're getting or what you want to get. Because in this one you're getting a free light. On this one you're getting a router, which I think it's a much better deal here. You're getting a nice router here. Look at that. That's a nice router. Where's the router at? Yeah, it's a really nice router here. So I would definitely get the router. I would definitely go for this deal. So $229 is the outdoor price. Not the outdoor price, but you know the price, you know, before taxes and everything. Let's see here. Let's take a look. See what else we have. We got a free grease gun. So we got a grease gun. We got a free bandsaw. And then we have a free, what is this? Free 4 amp hour battery. So you get a 4 amp hour battery there for free. I wonder if you get the HP or the old ones. I think you get HP. Yeah, you're getting an HP. Alright, so on this one, you're getting a free reciprocating saw. So you're getting 2 reciprocating saws. I believe you're getting a brushed. Yeah, this one's a brushed. So you're getting a brushed reciprocating saw. And for free. So you really got to look into it and see if this is the kit you want. I know this is not like the other kits that we used to see before, but you know. This one you're getting the multi-tool. This one you're getting the jigsaw, which I would prefer, jigsaw. Or you can get the ratchet. Here's the 3/8 ratchet, guys. This is one of the newer tools. So this is definitely, if you don't have any of these tools, this is definitely the kit for you. So you're getting the 3/8 ratchet right there. That's nice. Because even the 3/8 ratchet, it's like 89 bucks, so it's half of that. So you're getting a great deal on that. Yeah, it's a great deal. Because you're getting brushless tools. So on this one, you're getting a free corner sander. Free sander right there. You guys see it. Alright, on this one you got a light or hammer drill. So how does this work? Oh yeah. They used to have the old drill there right there and then the hammer drill beside it. So I guess that's a good one too. I don't know if that's a brushless though. Can't see it. Yeah, I don't think it's a brushless hammer drill. So a lot of these tools are brushed that you're getting for free. So just be careful. This one's the lights or free brushes circular. So oh, this one's good. This one's a really good deal. You're getting. I have this circular saw. It works great. Super powerful. It's really good, especially if you have the bigger batteries. These batteries are a little too small for it. I would definitely go 4 amp hour at least. 4, 5, 6 maybe. Actually a 3 amp hour even would handle it good. Because I've done a few cuts with the 3 amp hour and it's great, the HP. So yeah guys, there's a lot of good deals. You guys can take a look here. It's actually a little too late though, because a lot of guys already made their purchases. See this one, let's see what this one has. This one's $308. We got Ryobi brushless cordless 4-2 combo kit with 2 amp hour batteries charged in the bag with the free 2 amp hour compact battery. What? Why is this more expensive? I don't see the value here. This one's way out of pricing there. But yeah, it seems like that's it. Yeah, that's gift center. Yeah. So it's just gonna say gift center. It's not gonna say free. I mean, these are $99, but at the store you can get this for $139, I believe, $159 or $139 for both of these with 2 batteries. So I'm not gonna. Okay, this doesn't qualify for a free. Nope, none of these qualify for a free. Yeah, see the jigsaw by itself is 69 bucks. So I would definitely go for a higher price. I'll see if I can get you guys the just try and get the highest price you can get. I mean, or whatever you need, because if you need a something cheaper, a light maybe or something that you know you're gonna pick that up. yeah, definitely recommend you guys checking this out. I mean, this is the only free tools from Ryobi that we're getting so far. Yep, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. As soon as I find out more stuff, I will be posting it and let you guys know what's up. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.